let's go out and play. A sweet little bunny, a smart little bunny, a cute little bunny, and friends.
It was a rainy day. "What should I do today?" said Miffy. "I can't go out in the rain to play with my friends." "Well, you can help me do the dishes," said Mother Bunny. So Miffy dried the dishes. Then she swept the floor. "Thank you for your help," said Mother Bunny. Miffy looked out of the window again. Still, she had to stay in the house. "What else can I do for you, Mother?" asked Miffy. "You've helped me enough," said Mother Bunny. "Why don't you take your crayons and draw some nice pictures?" "Yes," said Miffy. "I like to draw pictures." So Miffy drew a picture of her back garden with a blue sky and the sun shining brightly. But when Miffy looked out of her window to her back garden, the sky was not blue and the sun was not shining. It was raining harder than ever. "What should I do now?" she sighed. "What shall I do, Mother?" asked Miffy. "I've dried the dishes, I've swept the floor, and I've drawn a picture." "Why don't you read a book?" said Mother Bunny. "Oh, that's a good idea," said Miffy. Miffy read a nice story about a sunny day at the beach. She looked out of her window again and saw that it was still raining hard. Her mother said, "Miffy, if you listen to some nice music, it will make you feel happy." So Miffy listened to some music from sunny Spain. But outside her little house, it began to look like the North Pole. While the music was playing, the rain had turned to snow. Mother Bunny called, "Miffy, Miffy! Look outside! It's so beautiful!" "How strange," Miffy thought. "It has been raining all day and Mother says it's beautiful." Miffy looked through the window. What did she see? Everything was covered with soft white snow. The sky was blue again. How wonderful! Miffy took a warm coat and a scarf. She dressed herself and ran outside, where she could play with her friends at last. "We're here," said Father Bunny. They crowded the window and saw a beautiful old castle in the distance. "We're here!" cried Miffy. Miffy, Melanie and Grunty couldn't wait to get to the castle.